From Homepage, you can explore our strategies by clicking the Strategy tab. There are two types of strategies: equity strategies and futures strategy. To get detailed information, please click on the title of strategy. We have brief description of strategy. This is equity strategy. It generates signals for stocks based on price momentum and company valuation, monthly rebalancing. On the left, we can examine basic statistics of the strategy performance. This is the chart presenting profit accumulated since the day this strategy was added on the website. You can also see daily profit. Simulation results will be shown in the Backtest tab. As you can see, this strategy generated more than 1000% in less than 5 years. Dragging down, you can see stocks holding. SMC is bought at 33,050 dong at the morning session of the 5th of May 2021. Currently, this signal generates profit of 19.5%. Trading history contains a list of sold stocks, our closed positions. You can see the list of signals in the Signal History tab. There are no sell signals during 2 weeks for this strategy, therefore, Trading History tab is empty. Now you can choose your favorite strategies among our various offers.